Some unknown creature has been eating the flower tops of the purple milkweed. And I always suspected deer, but I think when you look at the flowers, if you take a closer look, a much closer look, you'll find a different culprit. Could it be that the monarch caterpillars have been the ones destroying the beautiful milkweed flowers all along?